Okay, I'm going to do a install video of these roadshock LED 3-inch spotlights. Went down to my local Harbour Freights today just to pick up some random stuff, and then I seen that they got these brand new in. I go down there all the time, I hadn't seen them before. I had a quick look online, there was no videos on them, so I figured I would make one. This isn't a review video, it's just more of like a kind of unboxing and an install. In fact, it's not really even an install video because I'm running them off the fog lights on my 2004 Wrangler LJ. So I'm just basically running them off the factory fog lights that were on here, and I cut the bumper off to be a stubby. So yeah, it's just kind of a little bit of an unboxing and see what we got. Instructions, don't need those. They have, I don't know what you call these these clips or whatever, but it's quite nice. It's not just the red and black straight down. All the converters, I guess, is in there. Hardware, it comes with a piece of rubber. All the hardware, an Allen wrench. For off-road use only, not on public roads. No shit, Sherlock. Okay, and then we have the bracket. And the main cube light. These are 3-inch. Now, I've always bought cheap Chinese stuff off eBay as far as lights go. I normally spend to get decent stuff for my Jeep products, but in the case of lights, I've just never really gone with a rigid or anything. I've always gone for the cheaper Chinese options, and they always fog up and get moisture in, and then they're ruined. So these ones claim to, let me show you guys that real quick so you can see that. These came to be dust tight and submersible, so we shouldn't get any of the moisture trapped in the lens like I normally do. So I'm gonna give it a go, see what they look like, see how they work. They're $29.99, $10 with the extra 2-year warranty if you want to go that route. So yeah, here's one with a bracket mount already on. It's kind of a fiddle. Let's see if we can get that to get these things in. Don't know if I can. Here we go. You got to kind of drop the bolt in and then thread it through. It's a bit of a fiddle, but it works out. And I guess you can spin this mount around so it kind of goes there, whatever. All right. See if I can get these installed. Okay, got them all mounted up. Just wired in through the OME fog light wiring. No soldering, just clip connectors. Simple, straightforward. This is a temporary location for these. Like I said, I just got this Jeep 2 days ago, so there's a lot of stuff I'm going to do to it. New bumper. So this bumper is only temporary, so I just wanted to mount them up and see what they were like. They're quite a nice finish. They almost look quite blacked out. They definitely seem a lot nicer quality than the Chinese eBay ones. So I have it rigged up to the pole there. So the fog light switch. See, hard to tell how bright they are in the Florida sun, but I might see if I can do a night video, add on the end to this, see how it works out. But yeah, all in all, I think they're great lights. See how they hold up, see if they get the condensation. It says they're submersible, so they should be good. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comments below. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is a nighttime test. Anyone who has a Wrangler will know that the stock lights on this thing are terrible, so just bear that in mind. This is with the LED cube lights on. So they've got a pretty good spread. Let me get out and show you. Not bad, not bad.